have received some questions from you guys on how to remove a certain sections from this tracker. So first of all, we're going to select one of the row and then press the shift button and click the last row of the tracker or the table, and then right click and select delete. And now for this prompt, you're going to select OK so that it can execute the action. So that's how we can remove a section. So in case you want to delete the first section, you will probably see something like this. So what you're going to do next is probably to replace the title for the first header and put it as Groove versus last month, and then we can put back the remarks. And for the rest of the columns, you can refer back to the first row. So now we can actually just refer back to this column. I'm going to put a $sign in front so that it doesn't change when I copy down the formula later. Alright, so now we can copy the formula. Just right click and hit copy, and we're going to paste it to this cell here, which is the next section. We're going to select paste special and then paste the formula only. And you're going to repeat for the subsequent sections that we have here. Sorry, just paste the wrong thing. It's supposed to be formula only. So if you want to do the same for the monthly tracker, the procedure will be the same.